Hey, it's John with JohnLaGuardia.com, bringing you tips and tools for outdoor adventure. And on today's video, we're going to do an unboxing of some technology that you can take on your adventures to get smoother video, better B-roll, those types of things. You can use this for videography and photography. And this is an item called a gimbal. Let's go ahead and open this up. I've already taken the tape off and everything just to make it a little easier. And this is what we call the Zhiyun Crane M3. This is one of the better gimbals on the market. It's small and light. Traditionally, gimbals have been very big and bulky and heavy. So I'm really excited to get this thing open and take a look. Looks like they've got a little bit of an instruction manual here. More of a quick start guide, I guess you would say. This is in Chinese on one side and English on the other. This is a Chinese company that makes this device, thus the name, Zhiyun. A lot of people on the internet will say Zhiyun or some weird pronunciation of it. It's actually Zhiyun. So let's take a look at this, see what all's in here. This looks like the full-on instruction manual here, which it is, and a service card. What else do we have in here? Let's take a look at this little box that's down here. I bet this is cables, just judging by the symbol. Oh yeah, and these are some filters for the light that's included on the device. We'll take a look at that in a minute. You have the various cables. I can walk through these with you with some text on the screen and let you know which ones these are. I'm not going to try to guess because I always get the USB A and B incorrect, so we'll just do that. You've got these different filters, all different colors. They are magnetized, so they stick right to the gimbal, and looks like this is the mounting plate for a camera. So let's pull the gimbal out here. Ooh, that's beautiful. Wow, this is really an engineering marvel. I mean, this is one of the best gimbals I've ever seen. You can see, compared to my hand, it's not too much bigger, and it's fairly lightweight as well. This little screw here goes into the 1/4 inch expansion point. So that just screws right in here. You can get additional accessories that go there. Also in here is a stand that screws right onto the bottom. So pretty easy to put on. There are additional attachments for that bottom piece as well. There's some electronics connectors included in that, and so you can add additional devices such as a microphone, things like that. On this side you'll see this is the built-in light, so we can put a filter on there that's magnetized nice and easily. So it's easy to swap those out. I'm just going to move this out of the way so we can take a better look at this. For the light, there is an adjustable dial here. So that's the full light control wheel. On this side, and the opposite side, there's a power button, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit that. There's also a charging port here. So you'll see the nice display this has on it. I'm looking forward to getting into a deep dive on this and doing a full review. I'll take you through all the menus and show you all the functionality in that full review. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified once I post that review. It also has a additional joystick here, which is, you can push that in any direction to move the camera. There's an M button here, which is a single press button or a double press button, giving you different gimbal modes. There's also a photo and video button, so if you double tap this, that will give you the ability to just take a photo. Otherwise you're in video mode. So that's pretty cool. There's also on the other side, you've got your trigger button to kind of stabilize things and lock the camera in place, lock the gimbal. And then this dial is pretty interesting. I want to see how well this works with my camera. I have a Sony a7R III. It's a little bit older technology, but I want to see how that works with this. There's two ports here, one a camera port and the other an audio port, so you can plug that into your camera and use this dial to do particular settings like ISO adjustments, shutter speed adjustments, those kinds of things. Yeah, and on the top, of course, this is how you balance your camera on this thing. There are additional attachments for it where you can attach a mobile phone to it, so I'm interested in trying that feature out as well. So that is the Zhiyun Crane M3. I'll leave a link down in the description below. You can check it out online yourself. I bought this directly from the Crane store on Amazon, which had the best price that I could find. So I'll leave a link to that down below for you, and you can check it out yourself. Thanks for joining me today, and again, look for that review. And if I provided you some value today on this first look at the Zhiyun Crane M3, hit that like button. And again, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for being here, and we'll talk to you in the next video.